Chapter 8. Today we are going to talk about two-way prepositions. We already learned accusative prepositions, which were the dog food words. Remember, durch, ohne, für, We learned the dative preposition, aus, mit, von, zu, and so on. And today we are going to look at a group of prepositions which can go either way. They can either use dative afterwards or accusative afterwards. Now, how do we know? So, two-way prepositions, either using dative or the accusative. Now, if they use the dative afterwards, we are asking the question, wo? Where is something located? So we are talking about a location. If we are using the accusative after these prepositions, then we are asking the questions, wohin? Where to are we moving things? Okay? So there is motion involved, moving one thing to another place. Alright, today we are going to look at the dative. We are going to look at prepositions using the dative. So the question is always, where are these things located? Let's assume we are decorators, interior decorators, and we were hired to change a room, right? So we come into the house and we are looking to see where things are located. That's what we are going to do first. Okay, here we go. Now, an is the first preposition. It means on or attached to. So, we are noticing a picture hanging on the wall, right? Das Bild hängt an Wand. Now, Wand is a feminine noun, so we know the D changes to der, so an der Wand. And then we see a book lying on a table. So, where is the book lying, right? Auf. We are using auf on top of the table. Das Buch liegt auf Tisch. Now, Tisch is a der word, so since we're asking where is it located, the der changes to dem, right? Auf dem Tisch. It's all, we are just asking and looking at where all these things are located. Hinter means behind. The chair stands behind the sofa. Okay, so der Stuhl steht hinter. Sofa is another noun, a das word, and we learned das to dem, so hinter dem Sofa. Stehen is used when things can stand up on their own feet. Okay, so a chair can stand, a book cannot stand. It has to be lying somewhere, so that's the difference. Now, in, like English, means in. The stove is in the kitchen. Alright, der Ofen is in. Now, Küche is a feminine noun, it's a D word, so D to der, right? So, in der Küche. You remember all of these, I'm sure. Now, we are looking at a book. Where is that book located? It's another book, it's next to the computer. So, neben means next to. Das Buch liegt neben Computer. Computer is a masculine noun, a der word, so der to dem. Das Buch liegt neben dem Computer. Now we are seeing a lamp up there. It's hanging above the table, right? Hanging above. So, über means suspended above. Die Lampe hängt über Tisch. The lamp hangs above the table. Tisch is a der word, masculine noun, so der to dem, über dem Tisch. All right. Now we see shoes, and the shoes are sitting under the bed, right, where they should be, so we don't trip over them. So unter means under. Again, unter and under, very similar to each other. Die Schuhe stehen unter Bett. Bett is another noun, so das changes to dem, unter dem Bett. Now, we are looking outside and we see a car, and the car is parked in front of the garage. So vor means in front of. Das Auto steht vor Garage. Garage is a feminine noun, a D word, so D to der, vor der Garage. And now we are looking at another chair, and this time the chair is in between the couch and the desk, the writing desk. Okay, so zwischen means in between. So when we see zwischen, we have to have two pieces of furniture involved. Der Stuhl steht zwischen. Couch is a feminine noun, so it changes to der. Couch, Schreibtisch is a masculine noun, changes to dem. Der Stuhl steht zwischen der Couch, let me make the R a little more obvious, und dem Schreibtisch. So, these are our prepositions. An, meaning on or attached to, like something hanging on the door, on the wall, we would use an. Das Bild hängt an der Wand. Auf, meaning physically located on top of something. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. Hinter, remember, behind. Der Stuhl steht hinter dem Sofa. In, like English, means in. Der Ofen ist in der Küche. Neben, next to. Das Buch liegt neben dem Computer. Über means above. Die Lampe hängt über dem Tisch. Unter means under. Die Schuhe stehen unter dem Bett. Vor, in front of. Das Auto steht vor der Garage. Und zwischen, meaning in between. Der Stuhl steht zwischen der Couch und dem Schreibtisch. Alright, so now we just described where all these things were located. We asked, where are these things located? And that's why we use the dative case.